Okay. Wait, is it not working? Okay, cool. Uh, it's been a hot minute. I guess actually not all that long. When was the last stream? 3 days ago? Okay, yeah. 3 days ago. And I was thinking like, hey, what's up? It's gonna be super fast. We're gonna get this thing just like, knocked out of the park. In what is perhaps not overly surprising, I was wrong. And the thing that I thought was going to be super fast was, in fact, kind of slow. There's a bunch of money, so I have to pay some people for some stuff. But that's yeah. Okay, great. Oh, hey, hello. Oh, great success. I love having chatters. Makes me happy. Let's see who it is. Doot, 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 doot. Who was it? Show up. Yeah, Niraj, what's up? Yeah, okay, let's go. So yeah, so anyways, Moonshine voice assistant, super great. We got it working with Home Assistant, and then I was like, you know what? I bet it's not going to be that bad. We can just switch it to the streaming protocol because Moonshine has streaming. It allows us to be lower latency and respond faster to people. However, we've got a little Home Assistant. They call these satellite voice device right here. And in the grand tradition of super quick fixes, I broke it. Okay, Nabu, what time is it? And that is not what it's supposed to do. So let's figure out what I broke and fix it, because that's yeah, that's just what we do here. Okay, so we're gonna go to okay. Cool. There we go. Not that. Now we're gonna go over here. This is some other stuff. I'm working on some stuff. So 10. No, doesn't seem like it's gonna be the wire guide. It's gonna be 10.69.193. Okay, cool. So, ooh, cool. Updates available. Home Assistant Core and Samba Share. I mean, we can apply those updates, I guess, maybe. Update and update. But really what we want to do here is we're going to go settings, apps, Moonshine speech to text, and we're going to go take a look at our logs. And so here we go. Unknown event type audio start. Right, okay. And so that's why it was not working, because I forgot to add support for the audio start event. That seems very silly of me. And so this is going to be Moonshine for Home Assistant. And we go to Moonshine. Wait, no, it's going to be the Wyoming. Moonshine for Home Assistant is the plugin, and this is the Wyoming Moonshine. Okay, dispatch handler. We've got audio stopped, audio started, audio chunk is type, and we're gonna go ahead and go with audio start. Startup audio. Let's see. Okay. And audio start. The other thing that we're going to do here is we're going to go look at our good friend Wyoming phrase to text. Boss? Rapid fuzz. Oh, yeah, all right. Cool. Okay, 1.6 gigs. Okay. There we go. There we go. And I'm going to here. They call it dispatch? No, this is the like. Let's go. Audio start. Cool. Speech to phrase event handler. Okay. So audio start. Okay. Interesting. So here it doesn't actually do anything per se. Start of audio received. Let's go starting session. So what we're going to do over here in our friend Moonshine handler is we're going to go async def start and description. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Logger.debug. No transcription. Service on first chunk. Starting. Cool. Okay. Cool. And oh, we should call it here. Await. Right. And transcriber start on audio start. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead, git tag, git push origin, Moonshine. And we're going to go over here to our other friend, Moonshine for HomeAssistant. Okay. And here we go. Moonshine for HomeAssistant. Moonshine. Docker file. We don't have to update here anymore. It's just config.yaml and build container. Okay. New version that starts transcriber on audio start events. And then this will take a second. But cool. Cool beans, cool beans. We got our balance board. Ugh. Yeah. Ugh. Yeah. Okay. Cool. So now that that's built, we go over here. We go back. Hit refresh. Yes, it's supposed to refresh and find the new app. Oh, we did not push. This is why it did not find the new. There we go. We go. How do we go? Updates. And usage is nice and small, 2.3%. Go over to log. Watch it get started. Refresh, it'll say, yeah, okay. Okay, Nabu. What time is it? Well, we should fix this. So it's saying has no attribute start session, but damn it. Should really use type checking. Oh well. Hmm. Hmm. It's gonna be dispatch handler. Okay. Okay. All right. And, okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Cool. Let's go ahead. Go back here. Back. Reload. Updates. Okay, Nabu. What time is it? Hmm. This is interesting. Because this, you would expect to see something, right? Like, we just fixed. Huh. Okay. So we see dispatch handler is called, right? But what the hell? Uh, handling events. Okay. Uh, if Yeah, that's fine. Okay, Nabu. Ah, what time is it? Interesting. Okay. Um, interesting. So, um, placement added. Okay. Hmm. Interesting. Interesting. So what is happening here? Huh. Okay. I wonder if they're both stepping on the same event loop or something. That would be weird. No, no, I want to stream. But that's okay. Maybe they're both stepping on the same event loop. I could see that. I wonder if that's what it is. Let's go take a look. Moonshine streaming example. Moonshine voice. Take a look inside of Python. This is huh. Okay. Yeah. My first thought is maybe they're stepping on the same event loop, and that's what's going on. Because that like makes some sense to me, but maybe not a whole huge amount of sense. Let's take a look at basic transcription. Interesting. Let's go take a look. Is there a lot of async stuff in here? No. It kind of rolls out the same event loop idea. Well, not completely, but okay. Although, interestingly, oh, maybe, what's our log level set to? Maybe it's not set to debug. I could see that. Let's take a look. Apps, Moonshine, configure, debug logging. Okay, yeah, that's okay. Okay, Nabu, what time is it? Okay, so this is kind of working, but not like enough, right? So we're not, none of these events are getting called, right? We're not seeing Or well, maybe we are. Okay, let's go take a look. Setting. No, okay. Interesting. Okay. Transcript event listener. Let's go take a look at the sample transcript event listener. We've got online start, online change, and online completed. We've got, oh, we're missing online text change. Maybe we have to do that? Okay. Um, um, yeah, text change, line completed. But interestingly enough, there's no even starting. Is there in our log? In our log, if we search here, starting. Okay, okay, starting new line. No. Okay. Um. Hmm. Yeah, let's try it. Okay. Uh. Hmm. Add online text change to the events. Oh, it's not going to be online completed. We're going to be an event of type. Yeah. I don't know the type. Take a look. Let's see. We will go. Okay, yeah. The event type is line text change. Put that from here. Now the question is. Oh, many questions. Okay. Hmm. Well, all right. Maybe that's why. And that's kind of the thing. Interesting. Push it so that it will pick up the new version. So it's up to date. Here. Oh, no. Apps. Refresh. Refresh. Ah. Version. Fantastic. Updates. Okay, Nabu. What time is it? Okay, Nabu. What time is it? Hmm. So the transcription device is not... Like, we're getting audio chunks. Received event audio chunk received. Adding chunk to existing transcript. Are the chunks just coming up null? It's a possibility. Let's go take a look. Adding chunk of size then audio data. Um, hmm. Because, yeah, let's go take a look. Audio chunk from event. That's, I'm assuming, the same. That we're using over here. When we get new audio, what do we do? Oh, interesting. There's a volume multiplier. Huh. Okay, but it's an interesting approach. Interesting. Okay, so what they do inside of handle event is they just put things on this queue, and I just have this other thing which is just going to consume things off the queue. It's fine, but also not. And it has the same audio chunk from event chunk.audio. Um, hmm. Okay. Well, this isn't gonna explain it. But okay, let's go take a look. Wait, why are we calling this audio converter? Audio. Huh. Do we need this audio? Okay. Audio chunk converter. Or could we just go directly with the audio chunk? No, okay. Wyoming audio chunk. Let's take a look at the audio chunk. Chunk of raw PCM audio. It's got audio with bytes, timestamp, and if it's got a rate, it's got a width, it's even got channels. So, what about if we just ditch the audio converter? I'm not entirely sure. We can probably just shove the raw audio back. I think. Let's find out. Audio converter, and just send the raw chunks back. Also, okay. Right. Try without convert. And cool. Cool. Okay. Update again. Okay, Nabu. What time is it? Okay, Nabu. What time is it? Hmm. You know. Um, Hmm. All zeros. Although, I mean, some bytes. There we go. Okay. Why else would, like, let's see here. We're not getting a callback. We're Oh, that's not the right version. All right. Okay, Nabu. What time is it? Oh, okay. They're different bytes. It's great. So, okay, so we're getting bytes. That much is true. Why are we not working? Okay. Transcribe. Oh, I'm a fucking idiot. Sorry. I'm calling transcribe without streaming. That's 100% not the right API to be using. You literally are trying to use the streaming API. Okay. That's story checks. Story checks. Transcribe with streaming. Yeehaw. Yes, yes. Okay. Yes, yes. Okay. Okay, okay. Self.recognizer, add listener, then we go ahead and on the recognizer we call add audio. Yes. Chunk sample rate. Okay. Fantastic. And we can get rid of that. Okay. Fantastic. Okay. Get diff. Immediate. It was calling non-streaming API. Okay. All right. Config camel 5 and okay. Bump version this time. Hopefully, we follow the right. Okay. Cool. I'm optimistic this will be the one where it works. Ugh. Then if it works, 11, I can do my exercise thingy so that my personal parents not get too mad at me for being lazy. And the doctor also not get too mad. Oh, I don't have a doctor right now, but nurse practitioner not get too mad at me for being lazy. Okay, and then go over here. Here maybe, yes, okay. Then we go back, refresh, updates, fantastic. Fantastic. Okay, Nabu, What time is it? Damn it. Still does not, how you say, do the working. But this is maybe okay. Okay. And we've got what are we missing? We start the listener. Yeah. God. I don't think this is gonna be it, but who knows? Start, start, online text change, online completed, transcriber stop. These are ones of one window. What are we missing? What are we missing? I don't think we have to put it on a queue, get it off. Got the events. Calling them. My guess is that should give us nothing, but let's go take a look. We don't actually know. Not audio. Oh, interesting. Multiple streams. What else could we do? So what are these flags? Yeah. These are probably things that are down in like the switch code, but oh. Transcription default 0. What are they? Okay. Add audio. Update transcription. Update the transcription from the stream. Okay. Well, I guess before we stop, could do recognizer dots. Calling update transcription before we stop the stream. Self dot. Recognizer. Maybe. Yeah. Well, it's a bit of a long shot. Okay. Let's try calling update transcription. Okay. Okay. There is like a okay. Here we go. Take a look at this. Search. Ah. Those. Okay. Where are you failing? Ah. I'm curious. Can I point this? Let's see if we can point this. I don't think I can. I think, unfortunately, they're like voice assistant. Assistant. Speech to text. That's really, yeah. not what I want. We would have to, but okay. Interesting. Let's go take a look. Yeah, let's see if we can. Yeah. Okay. Right, test dash ace. Okay. Okay. Ah, what's up? Okay. Moonshine dispatch. Wait. Yeah. Handler line 7. Ah, sure. Ah, okay. Now we've got a faster test loop now. Um, but we don't. This is kind of heavyweight. Um, Capture the standard error. Well. Ah, okay. Pardon me. Hmm. Okay. Let's go import logging. Try this. Okay, so we know that at least code's getting called. Uh, huzzah. Okay. Yeah. So like that's just not work. We're adding all of these bytes and it's just not working. Why you no work, my friend? Don't really know why. Hmm. Okay, so if we look at this, right, we go ahead, we've got model ready, starting new transcription, recognize you started, listener added. Simulating. Oh. Okay. No. Yeah. So why we're adding the bytes, we're not getting anything back. We do have this, where we try and prime the model. Wonder if that's putting it into a bad state? That would be weird, but not unheard of. Um, well, interesting. Is it my listener? Is the listener just not happy? Do we have to? I don't think this would make sense. No, okay. Huh. Well, here. We can even copy pasta this over for now. Um, okay. Simulating listener. We'll just say optional transcript event listener. Swap in test listener. Ah, interesting. Ah, test listener. What? Why does it say test listener is not defined, but it uh, uh, Huh. Sure. But like the important thing here is like we're not seeing the test listener called at all. So I don't think it's my listener. And is it install minus U Moonshine? Wait, what? I'm oh yeah, Moonshine voice. Okay. Hmm. Yeah. Accumulating listener. Still nothing. Okay. What's going on here? Because, like, the other thing. So if we go look at. Huh. I'm kind of curious. Let's print out some stuff. Uh. Current. Um. Oh, okay. Last updated at last update time. Um, what happens with check underscore error? Uh, ah, emit error. Okay, but uh, figured. The self-taught recognizer that's green. And then, right. Uh, okay. Self-taught. Stream. 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 All right. Ah, all right. So actually, yeah, interestingly enough, we are adding, and in theory, the like update is being called periodically. That's fascinating. But you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and do terrible, terrible things. Ah, I'm gonna use the fact that we can just edit the code if we install in edit mode. And um yep. Because it's looking like it might be something funky inside of Moonshine. Although that would be really weird. It's probably not. I wonder if it's the audio format. Maybe it's the audio format. Because like before we were writing out a WAV file. Right, and that would round trip it through an audio format, but were we actually doing much? This is the phrase. Yeah, open home foundation voice. So, and I think we go look at um, like whisper. Ah, okay. Whisper. Well, no, yeah. We forked from here. And what should this do? So if we go look at the old code, we did convert the audio, but we would just write it out, right? Yeah, we just wrote these frames out. Oh, just chunked out audio. And that's fundamentally, we're just passing in the same chunked out audio, right? Yeah, I don't think it's that. Ah, see dots. Huzzah. So now we can go and do terrible things. Moonshine. We're going to go over here. Python. Uh, parsing transcripts. Pointer. Pointer. Short circuit. All right. Going extreme. Um, uh, Error, audio, and update transcription. Yep. Okay. All right, let's run it. And subscriber, line 144. What? Ah, right. Hit uninstall, Moonshine does voice, pip install, Moonshine dash voice. VM, we're just going to go and do terrible things over here instead. Okay. Uh, Uh, interesting. Huh. Why are we not standard error? Where's the standard out? There should be a capture standard out somewhere. Right. Okay. Um, right. Huh. Interesting. Okay, got error code back. Providing audio. So why are you... Okay, starting new transcription. Starting the stream. Okay. Parsing. Transcript from pointer. I gotta... Why is this... Okay. First 0 lines from transcript. So, okay. It's not the callback mechanism. The audio that we're feeding in is not resulting in any lines. But if we do the same thing in non-streaming, is it going to work? That is an interesting question. So okay. Okay. So what about if instead uh yeah. Uh if text is none. On back to batch. So then we will go uh okay. So audio underscore data. Yeah. Yeah. Um, and self.audio underscore data. All right. Hypothetical. Super jank. Huh. Why is this not working? We did have previously before in our dispatch handler the audio converter. Maybe it was useful. Oh, but before we went with this load wave file, which interesting. Okay, load wave file. Yes, format would have been different maybe. This is making more sense now. Okay. Roaming. Okay. And now we go looking tests. Now we'll load the wave file. And what is your format? Okay. So these are all floats. Okay, this is why. This is why. Okay. Damn it. But okay. So, and yes. Okay. Okay. Right. Okay. So let's go find load wave file in Moonshine, and that's going to maybe tell us sort of the format that we want. Okay. No. Okay, this is not it. Ah, okay. Interesting. So, um, okay. So bits per sample. Okay. Hmm. Okay, okay. So we figured out sort of like the thing, but what we haven't figured out is what. Okay, so maybe we actually really do want our audio converter here. Um, so yeah. Um, about the okay, okay. Uh, uh, so I think here. So I think, um, yeah. This means we're going to have 16 bits per sample since with so then over here um what would we do? Okay, say raw audio data. um maybe this feels like a magic number. I um think this is gonna give us what we want. Audio data. Okay. I don't know. Let's go give it. But like at least we sort of okay. It makes sense again finally. Like nah, sort of. Uh, Audio data. Like it makes sense why we're not getting any results because we're giving it bytes where it's expecting floats. Yeah. Okay, let's. We're gonna get rid of this. Get rid of that. That, and we're gonna get rid of this. Okay. Formats. Ah. Okay. Ah. Huzzah. Got line ID S, expected most 2. Well, that's good to know. If huzzah. Ops. Okay. If not lines, self.lines equals self.offset equals maybe, I don't know. Kind of hacky. But okay. If not lines, if not lines. Huzzah! Okay, so this actually does work. Oh god. Okay, let's go ahead. Pip uninstall Moonshine voice. Yes, and let's also go ahead and set up a GitHub action for this. Workflows. No, that's not just. Huzzah. Dang. Okay. cool. So we can fix up some shit. Fantastic. Okay. That didn't work. Also, strictly speaking of this. Okay. Right. Moonshine handler. Okay. Okay. This makes sense. So we can get rid of a whole bunch of logging now. I think. What time is it? Ah, it's about midnight. That sounds like me. Uh, and okay, so we don't have to do this part anymore. Okay. Make some magic work. Stop. Moonshine triggers and update internally. Clearing uh, um, uh, um, okay, let's run tests to see if this works. Oh, right. Pip install Moonshine voice. I just uninstalled it because I didn't want my hacked up version of it where we've done a bunch of stuff to it. Okay, cool. I think this is probably already in a format where we can do this. So let's try that. Nope, I was wrong. Okay. We don't need to track this anymore. Okay, cool. We don't need global sample rate anymore. Nope. Okay, let's go ahead and get tag. Let's go get push. Uh, 7. Okay. Cool. So we figured it out. It made sense, and I'm not crazy. Well, I probably am crazy, but not about this particular thing. Let's also Yeah. My pie. Okay, well, let's hit refresh. Fantastic. Update. Okay, Nabu. What time is it?
11:53 p.m.
Oh, yeah. It's working. Oh, I just realized that my little camera stopped working. Um okay, well, that's okay. Probably, well, let's see here. If I switch it to talking, now this still gives us like a froze version of Holden, and I kind of want to like, ooh, ooh, it got very, very spicy. I think that maybe it's not so happy that it took me so long to figure this out. But that's okay. Come on, little Ozbot, you can do it. Hello. Huzzah! And we're back. Okay, we are back, right? It's supposed to do like face tracking and some stuff like that, but I think that might have also been part of why it overheated. But okay, so the important thing here is, or the takeaway for today is we got it working. And oh yeah, okay. Well, we can get rid of a little bit more debugging, logging that we don't need. Moonshine handler. Okay. Oh. That's okay. Self.trunk. I'll go ahead. Dot text from self.trunks. This is audio. Okay, cool. More login cleanups. Okay. Go ahead and make this version 28 over here. Uh, okay. Oh, oh. Yeah, this is what happens when you think it's going to be 5 minutes. It is very rarely. I mean, sometimes it is, but most of the time, 2 hours. And fundamentally, our problem came from types. That's the joys of Python sometimes, and also like me not being very smart. But he's working. Let's do one more. It's working thing, and then we'll do a second wrap up. Hopefully I didn't break it just now, but you know. Okay. Update. Go with the log. Okay. Okay, Nabu. What time is it?
11:58 p.m.
Huzzah. And that does remind me the handler is a little verbose right now. So we're gonna use this. Yeah, okay. A lot of them. Okay, bump version one more time. Okay, cool. And okay. But yeah, whatever. It's fine. Damn it. Oh, okay. Okay, there we go. Anyways, oh, I should do my stretching because I feel very punchy. But the main point is it works now. It works in streaming. It's relatively faster. And okay, Nabu, turn on pants. Oh, interesting. Interesting. Ah. No, we just saw a bug. Damn it. Oh, okay. Something tells me I think I know what our bug is. My bug, for sure. Self.listener equals none. Okay. 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 Oh. Okay, cool. Fix it. One last time. One last time, then we're gonna go stretch. Oh, already set up coffee for the morning. Oh, I have an 8:30 meeting though. Don't love that. Yeah. I was gonna do other stuff too tonight, but that's not happening. No. Okay, Nabu, turn on pants. Huh, it worked. Okay, Nabu, what time is it?
Sorry, I am not aware of any climate in the Holden's office area.
Okay, Nabu, what time is it?
12:02 a.m.
Huzzah. Okay. Well, on that note, it is after midnight, and I am done. We've got The pants is this little ground effect lighting here. I guess not ground effect, but light strip. Come on, you can do it. Little Osbot camera. I should probably replace that with something else. But okay, it works. I'm done. I'm gonna go stretch. Thank you all. Sorry this took so long. Story of my life, though, realistically. All right, bye, y'all.